Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So today I am presenting a project which I have made for the Hashnode API hackathon. The problem statement was to integrate the new GraphQL API into our own project. So the problem which I have identified, uh, it's a personal problem and many of you would also face it, is republishing the blog post is a time consuming. So if I posted it on my personal website like rodnangro.com and I want to post that blog post on Hashnode, so what prior I would have to do is to copy the of the file markdown of the blog, and then I have to go to the Hashnode and then paste that markdown and then replace all the images URL, and it was a lengthier process. But now by using this action you can publish directly from GitHub to Hashnode without uh, any worries. So this is the home page. You can check this action on the GitHub marketplace. It's been provided here. It's taking some time. Yeah. So this is the action. You can also read about the action. Here is the small description. What's new about this release? You can check out here. What is the usage? How can you use this action in your own workflow? Example about an example. How can you integrate this in your own workflow? Also, if you have any related issues related to this action or this repository, you can paste it here on this link. So now we will just check out how can we integrate this action into our own workflow. Okay, so for this demo, we would require a empty GitHub repository. This could be any repository. So as you can see, I have created an repository. This is an empty repository. Uh, I have named this repository actions dash use. I have already cloned it uh, in my local file. As you can see here, I will pull the image strip and I, I will see is everything up to date. Yes, it is. Just clear. Okay. So the first step would be to create an action. So I can create an action by creating a folder named GitHub. Inside that, I will create a folder called workflows, and the file name which will be publish.yaml in this case. So I have already written some code. I will just copy paste it to save time, and I will explain this code. So the basically what this action is doing is publish. We will can be more specific. Publish to hash node. Yes. And on every push or pull request event on the main branch, the action would run. We have specified the job, this which runs on Ubuntu latest, the OS. The steps is been specified. The first step is to check out the repository. This is an official action which is provided by GitHub. This enables us to interact with the repository. So the second step would be to use our action. We have given it a name, we have given it an ID, and here we have using the main project I have been working. So this is the name of the project, Hashnode Publish. We are using the version 2 of this project, and you can check out other versions. If there is any latest version, you will be able to find it on the marketplace. uh, Use the latest version. As you can see, the latest version is v2. Okay, so also we expect some arguments in this. So the first argument which you will see is hashnode key. Hashnode key is a secret key, authentication key, which would is provided by Hashnode. So you can go on your Hashnode account, go to account, and you can go in account settings and developer. You have to generate a new token, copy that token, go to the GitHub page where you go to the GitHub repository where you want to publish, go to the settings, go to secrets and variables, and in actions, you will set a GitHub key, Hashnode key. Name of the key would be name of the secret would be Hashnode key, and the value has been provided here. Okay, we will just update our key. Okay, all set. So the next step would be to post uh, provide the file path of the repository we want to publish, of the blog we want to publish. So I have already written the blog, which is deploy NextJS app. So I will just create a blog. I will create a folder named post. In that, I will create a folder named blog, and then I will paste the blog. Okay. So as you can see, I have provided some metadata in this blog post. Some of them are essential to work, essential for this action to work. So I have provided the title of the blog. I have provided the description, cover image. Cover image is a relative path, so we will also require those things. So I will just copy that asset and paste it here. Okay. Yes. So also tags, a single tag is essential. You can add as much as you like. I provided the original article URL. Original article URL. I've copied this article from shared CN blog, so I provided that. Subtitles of the blog. Uh, Original article URL and subtitles are optional. Title, description, and cover image is and tag. A single tag is necessary. Also, you would have noticed this publish. So publish is a flag which is provided if you want to just publish, push the code on GitHub, but don't want it to be published. So you can mark it as false, and this will not publish on Hashnode. But I want to publish, so I will mark it as true. There are also two more flags, which is enable table of content, which is a boolean value, and also an is newsletter letter active. It's newsletters, yeah, newsletters active. You can find the related documentation here. As you can see, this is both a boolean flag. The default value of both the flags is true, and I want both of them, so I will not use these things. Okay. Okay, so the blog looks good. I will just verify the blog is looking good. Yes, it is. And okay, so I will just update the blog URL to the new URL, new path. So I will just paste it here. I will fix the backslashes. Okay. Yet you will also notice a variable name host is basically where you want to publish the blog. So in this case, I have created a dummy blog site called level up devs. I can verify it here. So I will go into my account and in dashboard. As you can see, I have my own personal blog and I have created this level up dev blog. Okay. So what we in the host URL of this blog is required. So I will copy this and I will paste it here. We don't need the HTTPS thing, so I will remove that. Okay. Uh, you can there are some outputs which can be used for you. So I've just echoed it to be seen. Okay, I think everything is looking good. So we just need to publish it on hash node. So we will just add the files. We will commit the files. So publish to publish what is deploy next JS app blog to hash node from GitHub. We'll just verify that there is no such blog name deploy next.js app. No, there isn't. So we will just push the code. It's been pushed. So the code has been pushed on GitHub. As you can see, the code has been pushed. There is a workflow running. You can go and see the details of that workflow. Okay, so there is the logs. Here is a welcome message. Here is the host provided by us. The blog has been posted on this site, and there is a successfully posted link of the blog. We can click on that, and we can see check out the blog has been successfully posted. You can also verify this from here. As you can see, the blog has been successfully posted. So that's it for the demo. If you have any issues, or if you have any recommendation or suggestion about this action, you can connect me on Twitter, on you can connect me on LinkedIn. So that's it for the today's project. I hope you liked it, and thank you for listening to my demo.